Ever tried sneaking up on a turkey? Good luck. These birds have nearly 270-degree vision. With eyes located on the sides of their heads, turkeys can see in a wide arc without turning. This wide vision range helps turkeys detect predators like foxes or hawks before they strike. The trade-off: turkeys have weaker depth perception, but they make up for it with motion sensitivity. Nature designed turkeys to survive. Their vision makes them alert, agile, and ready to flee at the first sign of danger. Think that's impressive? What other bird superpowers do you know? Drop your favorite in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like for more amazing poultry facts.